All right, just installed a Sommer Evo Plus 2060 on a 14x14 Wayne Dalton door. Over there, we have a LiftMaster T50, and this is from my uncle's house and first property, and we're getting this just to compare them. Got the button and all over here. Sensors are up top by his request. Both back hangs and the operator, set for 15'6" operation. Button right there. No remotes. We ordered it without them because he doesn't want them. Temporary power. The door will get oiled when I come back. Very quiet operator. And it runs very smooth on this door. And yep, that's it.